Please, Speed, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. It's weird. That's weird watching myself. Like, look. Damn, it's myself. Like, look. You see what I'm talking about? It's so weird. Like, look, bro. It's like, it's weird watching myself. Like, look, watch.
5 minutes later.
Ensuring that your thumb is on the outside of your fingers. If it is on the inside, it can break your thumb during impact. Do this with both hands. You now want to place your fists halfway between your chest and your hip. Once you're at this point, move them slowly from side to side, and eventually the momentum will end up with you.
Allahu Akbar, Eid Mubarak, Inshallah, Mashallah. Guess what?
What's up? Tell me.
Guess what?
What's up?
Guess what?